Justin again from Brickright. So what we're doing now again is flow point. So we've put the mixture in, which is I think we're on half a bag here, and then we put the water in, so it's 4.25 litres per full bag of flow point. So we've gauged it all out. So well, I'll keep mixing that now then. We'll just show you how to mix it. So just keep mixing it now until you get the right consistency that we want. So we got the right consistency now. So we'll take that and we'll walk down here, down these steps. So we're doing these Alvin lays, these Marshall's Alvin lays. So we've done this today, look. So you can see how that's going in. We did this earlier and I'm just pressing that now, and that is absolutely rock solid. So the weather, I don't know if you can see the weather, you probably can't see the fact that it's like this fine rain we got going on here, unfortunately today in Cardiff. So I'll just show you the path going around now. So Brad's pointed all this all the way around, and it is raining quite badly now, Brad, isn't it?
Sorry?
It's raining quite bad now.
Yeah.
We've never used this stuff in the rain before, but they do say you can use it in the rain, Brad, I think, don't they?
Yeah. I think as long as it's not too heavy, obviously.
She's just getting that in the joint now with a squeegee. So we'll have a close up of this for you now. So this stuff again is flow point, and this is the I think it's grey natural or something it's called. So I'll give you a close up of this now going in, look. So it's like a liquid, and the good thing about this is this liquid is finding its own way in between these joints that we've got in these Marshall's Alvin paving. So that's all finding its way in there. Brad's just helping it along a little bit. So this is the view of what he's been working to, is that section there, what he's coming down to. So we'll come back to this in a minute. We'll show you some more in a minute. So we got to this bit now again. Look, I don't know if you can see this now because the rain is coming down quite badly here in Cardiff, which is usual. So there we are. And you're a fan of this stuff, Brad, aren't you?
I love it. I think it's really good stuff.
I have heard you say quite a lot today that you're a real big fan of it.
Yeah, I love it. I think I'd sleep in it if I had the chance. I would honestly just...
Well, I was going to offer you a bag so you could take it home and bath in it.
I need 3 though. I need 3 bags.
To cover your bulk of your body.
So it'll only fit in my belly button anyway.
Well, I tell you what, I'll give you 5 bags.
Yeah.
And see what it's like to bathe in, because he's a real big fan of this, and I can see why, because you know, he's doing a good job of it. So this is where we are at the moment. It's very, very wet. So we're seeing now how this stuff works in the wet weather. So we'll wait for it to set a little bit. So we've manipulated it into the joint now. So this is where we are with it. So it's like that, look. He's put it all into the joints. We'll let it set and we'll start washing it off. And if I don't mess the phone up, we'll come back to you in a minute. So we're back. Brad's hosing it down now. It's absolutely, I don't know if you can see the rain there driving down. It's absolutely tipping down now down in Cardiff. Still smiling, Brad?
Yeah, of course I am. I always am.
So you still taking some home to bath in it, Brad?
Yeah.
So we'll just show you now how this is coming off. So we've left this for what, Brad? About 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15-20 minutes.
Yeah. So this is on a medium jet wash now. And you can see how that's coming up there, look. All the joint is staying in, look.
Yeah, the joint stays.
The joint stays.
The excess goes.
And the excess goes, like the man just said. So there we are. Washing it all off there, look.
Yeah, I'm so tempted to soak Justin now. But he'll leave me here.
No, Brad.
I won't be able to get back to my car.
I would just drive over your head, I think, Brad.
Oh, that's even better. I'm going to come back tomorrow then.
No. I wouldn't have to either, because I'll be arrested.
That's even better.
But then again, Brad, come here. With an head that size, you'd probably break the van, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah. My head's the size of the spare wheel.
Right, so this is how it's all coming up now, look. So it's all looking good there. Another close-up view, look. Start getting close to the lap. Just filled all the joints. It's pouring down with rain. And it's all coming up really, really nice. So there we are. And just to prove how wet it is, the man is absolutely soaked, look. He deserves it anyway. You deserve to be soaked, Brad, don't you?
I think I deserve a Greg's pasty on the way home.
Greg's pasty? Right, so we leave it there. You can see what we're doing. We'll come back to it on a drier day. So we're just going to go around this corner now, and then we're back to where we finished then, and then we're going to carry it on round there. He's poking me now to get out the way. So there we are. Anything else you need to know about FlowPoint? Let us know in the comments below. Do you want him to subscribe, Brad?
Yes, please.
He wants you to subscribe. Anybody wants to buy him a Greg's pasty, I'm sure he'd be happy. If anybody turned up with a Greg's pasty, Brad, what would you say to him?
I say thank you very much.
So we're still smiling, it's soaking wet, everyone's happy. See you on the next one, and if you need anything from us, the email address is brickright32@gmail.com, or you can get us on the website, which is brickright.co.uk, or you can get us on the mobile, which is 07974 760 732. Speak to you soon. If you need any quotes in the Cardiff, South Wales area, let us know. Speak to you again. Cheers. Ta-da.